Hello and welcome to YouTube channel HealthQ, the place where our mission is not only to motivate you but help you to move on to the brighter side of the health. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to manage your chronic pain after cancer. Cancer is a very debilitating condition, and some of the common effects that are left and takes very long period of time to get out of it is chronic pain. Apart from chronic pain, chronic fatigue, digestive issues, neuropathies, lymphedema are some common challenges that affect quality of life as well as functioning of an cancer individual. If you are someone who is suffering from any stage of cancer, you would relate this that you will often develop some pain which will just come from nowhere. These will be mostly muscular in nature and this will impact your ability to move. Mostly the areas which are around the cancer region or else where you have got chemotherapy or radiation are some places where you will face majority of pain. Now, in today's video, what I'm here to do is I'm here to give you some tips on your pain management. So, if you are someone who wants to learn that, make sure to watch this video till the end and make sure to subscribe to HealthQ channel for more such health awareness video. I am Physiotherapist Meghna, the founder and CEO of HealthQ Rehab. And at HealthQ Rehab, we have got a very unique cancer rehab program which is completely online, which is delivered by our cancer rehabilitation expert Dr. Deepal Shah, who has got 10 plus years of experience in working with cancer patients, and through her online scientific protocols she has helped 100 plus unique cancer survivors to overcome their day-to-day challenges that's related to their muscular health and well-being. So without wasting any due time, let's get started with these tips. So the number one tip that I would like to give for each and every cancer survivor is do a lot of breathing exercises. Now cancer is a taxing thing. It is not only going to affect your physical well-being, but it will also affect your mental well-being. It's very important that your parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system should work hand in hand. When you do breathing exercise on a regular basis, you can maintain an optimal level of relaxation. You can develop an inner connect with yourself and you can detach yourself from all those worries, which is also the reason of the pain. So make sure to do regular practice of breathing exercises because that not only helps in improving the oxygenation in the body, but it also helps in maintaining a good physical and mental well-being. Simple breathing exercise like pranayamas, deep breathing exercise, post-sleep breathing exercise are simple ways to practice them. The second thing that you should do after cancer or else while recovering from cancer is talking to people and journaling. Yes, even though this is not a tip that everybody will give you, but trust me on that. If you write out your thoughts on a day, if you write out your thoughts on a daily basis, either first thing that you do in the morning or at night, you will see that you have received a lot of strength to deal with all the challenges that you are facing on a day-to-day basis, which will definitely have an impact on your pain. Number three that you should do is track your pain. If you will observe your pain on a longer basis, you will realize that these pains are always associated with some triggers. It might not be visible to you immediately, but when you practice this again and again, you will realize that there are some triggers that initiate this pain. And then you would be able to eliminate or minimize those triggers and then work on your pain management or pain prevention. Fourth thing, staying physically active. The more physically active you are, the more your muscles gets the opportunity to work. More release of dopamine happens in the body and you will feel that yes, you are energized, you are getting less fatigued over a period of time, and you will also prevent major complications like deformities, contractures, etc. on the region. So make sure to move your joints on a very mild basis. Fifth thing that I would like to say is connect with your physiotherapist at least once in a month. Now, the benefit of doing that is while your body is recovering from cancer or is going through these treatments, you are prone to develop muscular tightness, stiffness, pain, etc. It's easy to work on these pains and prevent this pain when they are at a milder level rather than waiting for this pain to become very worse and you need to take medicines and some intensive physiotherapy. But if you have a connect with your physiotherapist on a regular basis, what happens with that is that you can work on your pain by yourself. You don't need to depend on all those extensive therapy programs, and you will not only save a lot of your time, your energy, but also your money. So make sure to stay in touch with your physiotherapist on a regular basis. Apart from that, I'm going to suggest three important things that you can use for your pain relief. Number one thing that I would suggest is ice pack. Yes, ice pack especially is effective in your acute pains. Many a times you suddenly might get catch, you might get spasm. In those scenarios, ice pack are helpful. But again, a word of caution before using ice pack is you need to make sure that you are applying ice pack only on the areas where there are no open wounds, there is no fluidic discharge happening, your skin sensitivity is not there. That means your sensations are intact. That's why it's always important, rather than just grabbing something, have a consult with your physiotherapist and then only use products like this. But ice pack in general for spasms are helpful not only on the affected area but in the other areas of the body, because pain is something that might shift in different parts. So this was number one. The second thing that you can also use is hot packs or hot fermentation. Again, a very cheap but very effective thing, especially useful for chronic condition, chronic pain. The same things what I said about cold pack applies here as well. For your hot fermentation also, make sure never apply hot pack in the areas where you have got open wounds. If you have got any discharge or you have got swelling in certain areas, on lymphedema, if you have got lymphedema, don't apply hot fermentation, because that can increase lymphedema. So be very careful, take help from your physiotherapist and then only apply it. But having said that, this can be used in certain areas of the body where lymphedema is not there, which is beyond or away from your cancer site, but still you are developing some aches and pains. And the third thing that I would also like to show you is a TENS device. Now, TENS device are low frequency currents that helps you to develop tolerance for your pain. Right? So when TENS therapy is taken on a regular basis, your tolerance to the pain increases because it is desensitizing your nerve on a periodic basis using the principles of neuroplasticity. Again, it has to be used with caution and require a good physiotherapist who can suggest you the right tools and right products to work on that. So these were my three important tools that I would recommend for you. Make sure that you use them whenever it is required and only on discretion of your physiotherapist. So these were my tips for your pain relief. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe to HealthQ channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.